Yeah.
You record, Ma?
Yes, come on. No, no. You believe?
Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. A minute, 40 seconds.
You up there already?
Uh-huh.
God damn, that bitch move fast. Yeah, bitch, now it's your turn. Shut that bitch ass up. Bring your bitch ass home.
Sorry, let me stop. Uh-huh. 2 minutes.
After this backflip, I ain't doing it no more.
Okay.
Alright?
Uh-huh.
Y'all my witnesses, alright?
Here go your witness right here.
After this backflip, I ain't doing it no more. Alright?
Kyle, here go your witness right here. No. It's on the camera. A minute and 37 seconds. I mean, 2 minutes and 37 seconds.
Alright. After this, go in the house. After this, I'm going in the house. No, yeah, I'm fine. Go in the house. Go in the house. Do it now. Go in the house. Do it now. Do one more than this. Do the course through.
He going in the house.
You in the house? Cut that shit.
Say no, here he come, did he? I thought you was good.
Huh?
I said I thought you was good.
Right. Oh, shit, boy. Mary, you still out there? Hey, Sarah.
When you said never, you feel like that she walked away.
Alright.
She was at the door.
Am I you still recording?
She's not right there neither.
Alright, cool. You still recording?
I am. 4 minutes.
You wow, bro. Oh, nigga, it's your turn. But it's your turn, though. It's a bitch. Fuck that shit. This nigga is hard. Yeah. Huh? Right, this motherfucker won't even jump. Man, look at y'all little ass jump up this motherfucker. Y'all tell me how hard this shit is. Fuck with this nigga. I keep saying, leave that little nigga y'all want to. Fuck that. I ain't gonna no flip up this bitch. Right.
Can I do the, yeah. 5 minutes.
5 minutes?
Uh-huh.
Now what?
Y'all watch it?
Yeah.
All right. Same time.
Oh!
Come on, man. Man, fuck you. Come on. I'll bust my shit open. You ain't gonna bust it up. Maybe because I got more brains. Yeah, that's all that is. Because you taller.
Here you come again.
God damn. That shit hurt. Y'all ain't gonna watch it.
6 minutes, 6 seconds.
Alright. Stop it. Start a new one.